When you don't get results doing Ho'oponopono, you really feel frustrated. I know how it feels because I've been there earlier. So this happens because we do three mistakes while doing Ho'oponopono. So I'm going to reveal in this video what are these three mistakes that you can avoid to get quick results. So watch this video till the end because I'm going to reveal the third video in the end, the third mistake in the end. If you're coming for the first time on my channel, do subscribe to my channel. I'm Nirmala Agarwal, a Ho'oponopono healer and a self-transformation life coach. And I'm on a mission to help 1 million people heal their past traumas and help them manifest the life free of pain, stress, and a life full of meaning, passion, and purpose. So let's dive in. So what is the first mistake? The first mistake is the guilt and blame game that you do in yourself. When we say I take 100% responsibility of the situation, we are just taking a responsibility. It is not because of you that this problem has arisen. It can be because of us or whatever is the problem. We are here to heal the problem. So you don't have to torture yourself, blame yourself, go into guilt. It's okay. कुछ problem हुआ है. Now we are going to rectify that problem, we'll heal it. So you are taking the responsibility to heal yourself. So don't go into guilt and blame. Now I'll explain this with an example. We have soldiers on our borders. So what is their duty? They take care of your country from intruders and terrorists. So here they do not go into guilt saying, oh, I have to kill people. Then they will not be able to perform the duty if they go into depression or they blame themselves that I'm killing people. That is, they are taking care of you, the nation. So similarly, you are here to take care of yourself. If you've done something wrong, it's okay. The wrong has been done. But now you're taking the responsibility to put the situation right. So you take the 100% responsibility like a true soldier and carry on with the cleaning. Now, the second mistake is this is a cleaning technique, not a manifestation technique. Because you see results, you feel that this is a manifestation technique. No, because you're cleaning the negative emotions, you see faster results in it. So remember, this is just a cleaning technique of your negative emotions, which raises your frequency, your inner emotions are cleaned, and you feel better and you see the results. And the third mistake that I was talking about is don't be attached to the outcomes. So much attached to your problem, like that I must get a job, I must find a life partner, I must receive money, my debt should be cleared by now, or whatever you want. You are very much attached to it. But when you feel that you must get this instantly after you have practiced, and when this does not happen, you feel that Ho'oponopono is not working. It is not like that. You just go on cleaning, and you will, the moment your frequency raises or your negative emotions dissolve, you'll see the result. But if you're attached and you go on saying, oh, this is not done, I have not received, the Ho'oponopono is not working, I've been working since so many days, if you're thinking like that, it will not work. The more you are attached to the outcome, the more difficult it becomes to manifest. Why? Because Ho'oponopono is a request to the universe, just like a petition put forward to a judge. It's his decision whether to approve it or reject it and when. So you just focus on cleaning the negative feelings that arise when you think about a situation. When you're attached to the outcome means you want that result to happen, and that means you don't believe it's already true. So trust the universe and have faith. You will get miraculous results. And sometimes to your surprise, you may get even more than what you desired. So just pray and surrender and let go. If you found this video valuable, please like this video and share it with people who are stuck in their life. Because when you help people achieve success, the universe helps you personally. When you give, you receive. So I would suggest you help people And if you have any questions regarding this technique, this video, comment below. I will surely reply personally. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will be uploading many more videos, valuable videos like this. So you'll be notified immediately when I upload a video. So looking forward to see you in the next video. Thank you.